And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Well, if you're up early this morning still, there's a little bit of fog around this morning, but it's mostly dissipated. It was really thick in many areas a few hours ago, but still a dense fog advisory until 9 a.m. for most of the valley, except for near the coast. Visibility in a few areas may be cut down under a half mile, but really it's improving quickly over the last couple of hours. Visibility coming up as the fog is thinning out, but still some thick spots in some areas showing up on the map, mainly over southern Hidalgo County, and then you get in some of the rural areas and maybe in the Starr County and north of the valley, it is thick. But just if you're driving, you may be in and out of some thick areas of fog. So just kind of watch this morning for the next hour or so when it could still be a little thick in spots. 50 degrees right now in McAllen, 47 in a few places, including Weslaco and Rio Grande City, and 49 in Raymondville. But there's barely any wind. The wind speeds this morning back to around 0, even a few spots around 5 or 6 miles per hour. And overall, it looks a lot like yesterday afternoon coming up. Light winds, some high clouds around, but enough sunshine getting through the warm temperatures back up. So your day planner goes from near 50 at 8 a.m. with still some patches of clouds or fog, but the clouds are already thinning. If you can see, if there's no fog where you are, you look up in the sky, you see the clouds are thin for the most part. So partly sunny sky, highs around 69 degrees or temperatures around 69 degrees at noon, highs near 75 this afternoon, but most of the afternoon back up in the 70s with those high thin clouds. You can still see the high thin clouds coming through on the satellite, some patches of them still coming in for later this morning and this afternoon, but still enough thinness to the clouds that enough sunshine gets through the warmest back up. So today, your First Warn 5 forecast, I meant to put another graphic in there. I think I must have clicked it off. I'm going to go get it, but a high of 75 with partly sunny skies back by later tonight. We'll be dropping down to around 53 degrees. There could be some fog late tonight too. I think we're looking at almost a repeat of what we saw this morning in some areas. It may get kind of foggy after about 2 or 3 in the morning tonight. So kind of watch that. It will be a little thick in spots. And yes, I wanted to show you Future Track, of course. Here is Future Track, and some fog in some spots this morning. Notice though we have partly sunny skies around today, and for the most part dry weather. There might be a sprinkle near the coast. Future Track tries to show a sprinkle near the coast. I think it's overdone, but if there is a little bit of spotty drizzle this morning or a sprinkle, that's about it. And then this afternoon, partly sunny skies around. Tonight we have light winds, kind of clear to partly cloudy skies, but with the humidity increasing gradually off the Gulf of Mexico, it could spell some fog again late tonight that could form say after 2 or 3 in the morning through about sunrise or a little after. So tomorrow, though, is looking like another day where most of the sky looks pretty sunny, a lot of blue skies, some high thin clouds. Thursday is when things kind of change. We don't have a huge drop in temperatures expected, but a cold front comes through on Thursday. It really just picks up the winds, keeps the sunshine going, but winds may gust over 30 miles per hour, and it could be a little chillier by Thursday night, but no blast of cold air coming anytime soon. The First Warn 5 70 forecast. 75 today for a high, 79 tomorrow. We could bust the 80-degree mark in some areas with enough sunshine on Wednesday. And then a little cooler on Thursday, a high of 71, but it gets kind of windy. Friday stays a little cool with lows in the low 40s in the morning, highs in the low 70s in the afternoon, and then some sunshine for the weekend. It could start to cloud up on Christmas Eve on Monday, maybe a couple sprinkles, but all indications are it may stay pretty warm on Christmas Day. We will keep tracking those Christmas forecasts and your First Warn 5 forecast here on Channel 5 News this morning.